And this is a Panasonic RC-75, uses the fluorescent tube display. Set the time, fast, slow. Okay, we got it at 101. Set the alarm. And set the alarm to 102, and let's see what it does. Okay, time is that. Okay, got it set to alarm, got the volume halfway. Let's wait a little bit and see what kind of noise it makes. I know. Well, that's a heck of an alarm. Okay, let's hear the radio. We're on FM.
Florida will have updates for you today, and of course make a
Okay, listen to the pot.
dial tomorrow morning on Orlando's Morning News with Joe Kelly on News 96.5.
It's 12:46. I'm Heather Matthews.
I'm Joe Rubel.
AM.
Volleyball Libera. The best volleyball training.
Television.
Our LVA family this upcoming season. Go to lvaorlando.com. That's L.
There you have it.